In the previous sections, we discussed financing for affixed and non-affixed manufactured homes. Insurance is the next critical step in protecting both buyers and lenders. The type and extent of insurance coverage vary depending on whether the home is affixed to land, real property, or non-affixed, personal property. Arizona brokers must understand these distinctions to guide clients and ensure compliance with lender and legal requirements. Hazard, homeowners insurance for affixed homes. Affixed manufactured homes are considered real property, so they are eligible for standard homeowners insurance policies. Covers fire, theft, wind, hail, and other hazards typical in Arizona. Lenders generally require a hazard insurance policy as a condition of financing. Policies may include O structural coverage, the home itself, O attached fixtures and improvements, O liability coverage for injuries on the property. Example: a 2015 manufactured home in Mesa is affixed to a purchased lot. The lender requires hazard insurance covering fire, wind, and liability. Broker ensures the buyer obtains coverage before the COE. Broker tip: confirm that the insurance policy lists the home as real property and includes the lender as a loss payee. Chattel mobile home insurance for non-affixed homes. For homes not affixed to land, insurance is typically mobile home or chattel insurance. Covers the structure as personal property, not real estate. Includes hazard coverage, such as fire, wind, and lightning. Some policies offer limited liability protection for visitors or accidents on the premises. Coverage may be lower than for affixed homes, and some lenders may require additional endorsements. Example: a 2005 manufactured home in a Sun City leased lot park is insured with a chattel policy. The lender requires proof of coverage for wind and fire. Broker ensures policy naming the buyer as insured is submitted before closing. Broker tip: advise buyers to review policy limits carefully, particularly for older homes or high-risk areas. Coverage for wind, fire, and flood Arizona faces unique environmental risks, so coverage must address common hazards. 1. Wind and hail. O, especially important in Phoenix and northern Arizona during monsoon season. 2. Fire. O, desert conditions increase wildfire risk. Affixed homes may require homeowners hazard insurance, while non-affixed homes require chattel coverage. 3. Flood. O, standard policies often exclude flood damage. In flood-prone areas, buyers may need separate flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP. Example: a 2018 manufactured home in Pinal County is affixed to a lot. The buyer purchases a homeowner's policy covering wind, fire, and optional flood coverage due to nearby irrigation canals. Broker tip: discuss local environmental risks with clients and recommend coverage that matches lender and personal requirements. Importance of insuring contents and liability insurance isn't just for the structure. Personal property and liability coverage are equally important. Contents: protects furniture, appliances, electronics, and personal belongings inside the home. Liability: protects against claims from injuries to visitors or damage caused by the homeowner. Example: a 2012 manufactured home in Chandler is insured for both structure and contents. A visitor slips on a wet patio. Liability coverage ensures homeowner protection. Broker tip: ensure buyers understand coverage limits for both contents and liability, particularly if the home includes high-value personal property. Real-world Arizona scenario, putting it together. Scenario: buyer: Maria purchases a 2016 manufactured home in Mesa on a purchased lot, affixed, and another 2004 mobile home in a leased lot park, non-affixed. Insurance steps. 1. Affixed home. Maria obtains a homeowner's policy covering fire, wind, and liability. Lender listed as loss payee. 2. Non-affixed home. Maria purchases chattel insurance covering fire, wind, and liability, confirms coverage with the lender. Outcome: both homes are properly insured according to their classification, protecting Maria, the lender, and her personal property. Section 4.3 Key Takeaways. 1. Affixed homes. Eligible for standard homeowners insurance covering structure, fixtures, liability, and optional flood protection. 2. Non-affixed homes. Require chattel mobile home insurance. Coverage is for the structure as personal property, often with higher risk considerations. 3. Hazard coverage. Must include wind, fire, and, if applicable, flood. Arizona environmental risks should guide policy selection. 4. Contents and liability. Insure personal property and protect against visitor claims or accidents. 5. Broker responsibility. Verify proper coverage, lender requirements, classification of home, and advise clients on additional protection for environmental hazards and personal property,